Today we will demonstrate how to install a head-in O2 holder on a Stryker cot. We will be using part number SK7096 from Cot Doc. It comes complete with all necessary hardware and instructions. You will need a 3/8 inch variable speed drill, a 1/4 inch drill bit which comes with your kit, an Allen wrench set, a 7/16 wrench, a center punch, a hammer, and a flat screwdriver. Stryker's price is $180 for this O2 holder. Cot Doc's price is $119, $60 saved. The first step is to remove the bumper from the drop frame. Next, we will use the template supplied on the drop frame and center punch holes where indicated. We will now drill the 2 1/4 inch holes in the drop frame in the spots indicated with the template. Line up the O2 holder with the 2 holes that we have just drilled. Insert the socket head cap screws all the way through. Put on the nylock nuts and tighten slightly. Do not tighten all the way at this time. To tighten the nuts, you will need an Allen wrench set and a 7/16 wrench. Install the bracket on the load wheel axle. Now we want to go back and tighten all the bolts, all 4, and then reinstall the bumper onto the drop frame. Place your O2 bottle into the cradle, strap it in place, and you're all done. Thank you for watching our video, and thank you for your business. Please visit us at cotdoc.com.